Today, we will show you how to use Node with Gradle in our application. As an example, we will show how to configure a single project using Spring and React, where Spring will be responsible for the backend and React for the front-end layer. We will use the Gradle Node plugin as the main dependency. First of all, in our Spring project, we need to create a React application and optionally add sling, which will be responsible for checking the code. Now let's add our plugin. For Node plugin, we need to set our working, npm, and Node directory appropriately. We will start by writing a task that will clean our dependencies and the build itself. Now let's deal with the task that installs our dependencies. The current task is optional unless we have added a slint to our project. We also need to remember about the task that builds our UI and copies it to public resources, so that the server will be able to serve it. Finally, we need to make some standard tasks dependent on newly created ones. We will use BootRun as a launch point, which will launch all tasks and the entire application one by one if we execute it. After starting the application, our UI should be available on the default server port. In the case of Spring, it is 8080.